Today is Monday, June 3rd, and this is your forecast for the central United States. We are going to have some showers along a cold front and along a dry line down in Texas, and some of those storms could be strong, but I don't think it's going to be a huge severe weather day here across the United States. Let's take a look at that map here on this Monday morning. There's a cold front coming in, sort of showery up through the western lakes, the Midwest, and then down into the plain states. That's where you have the thunderstorms, and some of those, as I mentioned, could be on the stronger side. I think the big weather maker as the week progresses is not going to be this system, but actually this one in the Pacific Northwest. This is sort of an upper level low, and as that moves across the Great Lakes region, that will produce a lot of showers. And so I do think that for tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, it is going to tend to be pretty showery throughout the Midwest and the Northern Plains. We got some showers today, not a lot of them, mainly Minneapolis, Des Moines, down to Chicago. Maybe a shower near Grand Rapids. It's plenty warm though. Temperatures into the 80s for a lot of folks. 76 today in Cleveland, 86 today in Cincinnati, 87 for you in Louisville. Some showers and storms and near 90 in St. Louis. 86 degrees in Memphis with some showers and storms and near 90 in Nashville. So it's going to warm up. Yeah, ahead of that low pressure system. We know the circulation around low pressure is counterclockwise. So out ahead of it, you got a strong southerly flow. That produces those warmer temperatures for you. 87 in Detroit tomorrow, 80 on Wednesday. Then the low passes by, and the other side, the wind's out of the north, right? So you cool down going toward the weekend. Same deal in Chicago, going to stay pretty warm first half of the week. You get on the backside of the low pressure, and it cools down toward the weekend. In the southeast, we got some showery weather. There's a weak front basically from the southeastern part of Virginia down through the western part of the Carolinas. So 85 with a thunderstorm possible in Charlotte, 84 with a possible thunderstorm in Atlanta. Most of the day is going to be dry though. Some showery weather in Memphis, maybe a strong thunderstorm or two near Dallas today. And it's still hot in Florida, maybe not quite as hot as what we saw last week, but we still got plenty of heat going on there in the state of Florida. In the 80s in the southeast, maybe at times near 90 for this week. So you got a hot week ahead of you. Hopefully the AC is working okay. Temperatures a little, 2 or 3 degrees cooler toward the weekend. 86 today in Fort Lauderdale. Of course, it's going to be humid, and that will help to fuel those afternoon showers and thunderstorms, starting to get into that wet season. We will see some showers and storms through midweek, and then once it really turns a bit drier, it also turns hotter. It's sort of the way it works. Low 90s by the end of the week. That is your Monday morning weather update. I hope you all have a great start to your week. Remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.